After arriving home from Mexico, I took a drive out to White Lake in the interior British Columbia. I love driving through the mountains after a snowfall with snow-covered forest on either side. Gotta say, this view and the crisp weather are exactly what I needed when returning from a warm climate. The coziest way to start the day is with an early morning fire, especially with all this low-laying fog all around us today. Just so cozy here in the mountains. Thanks, buddy.
You're welcome.
As all that's cooking, I'm gonna actually go in with my bear pepperoni now. It's gonna give this nice flavor to the potatoes, the morels. Always gonna have those fresh herbs. As all the other ingredients are almost ready, I'm gonna start my fried egg with bear tallow as well. Toss this up and then get my eggs in. This is amazing. Bear pepperoni breakfast skillet. Fresh chimichurri on the top. This is a mountain breakfast. Morel mushrooms, bear tallow, no butter, no oil. This is absolutely delicious. The owners of White Lake Cabins, Natalie and Dave, have created an off-grid experience for guests to unplug and relax. From farm animals right outside your door to plunging and sauna sessions, this place is truly special. White Lake is calm and pristine. The water is so clear and blue, you would almost think you were in the tropics if you weren't cold plunging.
Here's some venison. This was the second deer I caught by myself, and can't wait to see what you cook up with it.
So here we have the venison that's been curing for 2 days now. I'm gonna be making a steak, and then I'm gonna be making some tartare, so. Wow, look at that. That color, it's incredible. I'm gonna cut up my morels. And I actually undercooked this one a little bit, leaving it a little bit crisp on the inside. This saltiness, that charcoal, you can really taste the charcoal. And I brushed it with butter. Took advantage of this cold weather, and the butter just kind of solidified, as you could see, on the steak. So when you put it on the grill, it just blasted, gave it a perfect char. Tomac also gave me some ground venison from his harvest, so I rolled that out to make some stuffed meatballs with local goat cheese and maple espresso seasoning. I gave the meatballs a solid sear, and then started my sauce with shallot, garlic, shiitakes, butter before the wine, and added the meatballs while reducing. It is my last night here at White Lake Cabins. It's getting a little cold, so I'm gonna get a fire going and use up the rest of my ingredients that I have. I got some venison left over, some burger buns. Let's go make some food. Got just the right amount of venison left over for a nice big burger. I'm going to be using my backcountry barbecue seasoning from Ethical Table Food Co. This is going to be my sauce for the burger. I've been using this bear tallow for everything here. It's so amazing. Eggs directly from the farm. That egg coming down like that. Oh man, this is definitely my type of leftovers right here. What an amazing time here at White Lake to wrap up an incredible series of cooking adventures with Big Green Egg, and thanks so much for following along.